Make a great choice today with the 2017 Subaru BRZ. The Subaru BRZ comes with agile handling, precise steering action, and powerful brakes, all contributing to a thrilling driving performance with a great fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps, rear-wheel drive. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.